Welcome to today's session. In math subject, we have completed 7 lessons. Now we are going to see 8th lesson, volume 2. So everyone take your volume 2 book, companion, pencil, eraser, sharpener and water bottle with you for today's class. Clear? Take your studio volume 2. What lesson we are going to see now? All about time. What is our lesson name? All about time. Say along with me, all about time. Take your second volume studio, page number 11. Page number 11. See here, page number 11, new lesson, 8th lesson, all about time. All about time. 8.1 pep activity. Read along with me. Help Mangal draw sun and moon in the right pictures and color them. See here, 2 pictures are there. We want to help Mangal to draw the sun and moon. Where we want to draw sun? Take your pencil and draw sun and moon in the right place. See here, this is bright. So draw here sun. Draw here sun. And it is a dark place. So draw here moon. Draw sun and moon and color them. Color it, children. When the sun is usually seen in the sky and it is bright, it is day. At what time we are seeing sun? At daytime. It is bright. It is bright and daytime only we are seeing sun. When the sun is not seen in the sky, it is dark. It is night. At night time, can you able to see the sun in the sky? No, we can't see the sun at night. It is dark. So it is night. Clear in day and night, children? Clear. Take next page. The day has different parts. See, daytime. Daytime itself, it has different parts. 4 parts are there. When the sun appears to rise, it is morning. Sun appears to rise. That time only the sun will overcome. Appears to rise, that is morning. When the sun is directly over our head, it is noon. When the sun is directly over our head means it is noon. When the sun appears to set, the sun is going to set. See the picture. The sun is going to set. It is evening. When the sun is not seen in the sky, no sun is there, only moon, and it becomes dark, it is night. The day they are separating 4 parts. It is morning, noon, evening, night. When the sun appears to rise, it is morning. The sun directly over our head, noon. The sunset, evening, and the north sun, when we can't see the sun, only there is a moon, it is night. The position of the sun in the sky helps which part of the day it is. See, by seeing sun itself, we can say whether it is a morning or noon or evening, or there is no sun means it is night. The position of the sun itself, we can say the parts of the day. These are the 4 parts of the day. See 8.2, look within. Which is your favorite part of the day? Why? This you can fill it by your own with the help of your parents. Which is your favorite part? Whether morning or evening or afternoon or night. Which is your favorite part and what is the reason that you want to write in these 2 dash? What we do usually depends upon the part of the day. For example, We eat breakfast in the morning. We sleep at night. It is usually we will do. We will eat a breakfast in the morning and we will sleep at night. There are some animals like owls and bats that are awake and work during the night. Do you all know, children, owls and bats are awake in the night. They won't sleep at night. Do you all know? They won't sleep at night. When do you think they rest? They won't sleep at night means when they will take a rest at daytime only. We all working for day fully and we are taking a rest at night. But owls and bats and all, they are awake and work during night. So they can take a rest at daytime. See 8.3 activity, look around. We go to school in the morning. Would you like to go to school at night? Tick your response. If yes means tick yes, if no means tick no. This is your opinion. Why? If you tick it in yes box means why? What is the reason to go to school at night? That you will write in this dash. If you tick it in no box means, right. For example, I am tick it in no box. Because it is so dark. At night time it will so dark only, no. That is my wish. What is your wish? You can write in this dash. Next 8.4 activity, match the activities to the part of the day. See here in this side they have given pictures and here they have given match. We want to match the correct picture. See here the children are playing. The children are playing. At what time you all will play, children? Nowadays you are playing day fully. But while going to school time, at what time you will play? In the evening. So match to evening. Next, the girl is sleeping. At what time you all will sleep? See here in this window the moon is there. So at what time it is? It is night. So match to night. Next, the girl is waking up. That time only the girl is waking up. The sun is rising. What time it is? Morning. Superb. See the last picture. The sun is over their head. Then what time it is? Sun is over our head means it is noon. Do you all match? Now take next page. Companion 8A is your home fun. Take your companion book. See in companion page number 7. Companion 8A. Look at the pictures. Color the box with the correct answer for each question. Color the box for the correct answer. Okay. Rohit is getting ready to go to school. At what time you all will go to school? Morning. Morning you want to color. Next, Rohit is having his lunch. At what time you all will take lunch? Noon. So, color the noon box. Next page also. Rohit is sleeping. At what time you all will sleep? Night. Rohit is playing after school with his friends. At what time you all will play? Evening. So, color the respective answers. Now see your studio page number 14. Page number 14, 8.5. Look around. Most people work during the day. There are some people who work at night. See, most of the people are working during daytime only. Some people can work at night also. List at least 3 people who work at night. See, for example, who and all work at night? Night watchman is there, isn't it? Night watchman. And then nurse. Nurse are doing night duty also. Ask with your parents, they will say. Nurse. And then police. Some of the police officers may work at night. Police officers. See, I have listed here 3 professions which are all doing night shift. You can write whatever you know. List at least 3 people. We want to list it out and write in this 2 dash. Now see the next one. Look at these pictures. Which happens first? See here, see the first picture, the girl is eating banana. And see the second picture, the girl is through the peel. Which will happen first, children? Yes, first we will eat banana. So tick it in that box. The girl ate the banana first. Then she threw the peel in the dustbin. She ate the banana first. Then only she will throw the peel in the dustbin. The girl threw the banana peel after eating the banana. When she will throw the banana peel? Whether before or after eating? After eating. After finish eating only we will throw the peel, no? Isn't it? Yes. See the next page. The boy sharpened his pencil first. Then began writing. The boy sharpened his pencil before writing with it. When you will sharpen your pencil while writing classwork, while you are writing anything, when you are writing a studio, at that time and all, when you will sharpen your pencil, whether before writing time or after writing time you will sharpen your pencil. Before writing only we want to sharpen our pencil. We use the words before and after to know the order of activities. What is the word? Before, after. Underline the word before, after. B-E-F-O-R-E, before. After, A-F-T-E-R, after. Look at the given pictures. Fill in the blanks with before or after. See here 8.6 activity. Hari wished good night dash going to bed. When you and all wish good night to your parents or siblings? Before going to bed. Yes, superb, right? Before, B-E-F-O-R-E, before. While before going to bed only we will wish good night. Next, Geeta ate breakfast dash washing her hands. Geeta ate breakfast before washing her hands. See, before also you want to wash your hands, after also you want to wash your hands while eating time. Okay? See, companion 8B is your home fund. Take your companion book. Page number 9 in your companion. Identify what happens first. Write before or after in the blanks. See here 2 pictures they have given. Which will happens first that you will write before and which will happens next that you will write after. Clear? Only 2 questions are there. Write before and after in the respective blanks. See in studio page number 16. Raju's mother bought carrots from the market to make carrot halwa. She followed these steps. See here Raju's mother buying carrots from the market to make a carrot halwa. She cutting the carrot and make halwa and put it in one pot. The halwa is now ready. What will Raju do next? Make the pictures as 1, 2, 3. The halwa is ready means what they will do first? The Raju eats the halwa first, washes his hand, second, wipes his mouth, third, before eating halwa also you want to wash your hands and after eating also you want to wash your hands. Companion 8C is also your home fund. In companion page number 10, sequence the pictures to learn the steps to plant a seed. See 4 pictures are there. Which pictures will come first? Which will come second, third, fourth? Sequence that pictures and do this as home fund. That sequence pictures we have seen now in companion. No, same like Page number 17 in your studio, 8.7 activity. Thinking. Zen is waiting for a bath. Help Sweta at Zen by arranging given the steps in order. Which steps will come first? See, 4 pictures are there. First, what we will do? Spray water on the dog. First step. Put number 1. Next, apply shampoo on the dog. Put number 2. Then, wash the shampoo of the dog. 3. Then, dry the dog. 4. Like this only you want to do that companion sequence objects. That sequence 8C. Okay? Which will do first and which will do the next activity? Arranging is number. I hope you all enjoyed today's session. Let me meet in next session, children. Everyone complete your home fun. A, B, C. 3 home fun. Complete it. Clear? Thank you all, children. Bye.